step to my car, okay?
I'm gonna step close, okay?
Hey, back up.
Give me your name and badge number, okay? Give me your name and badge number, idiot.
Hey, back up.
What's wrong? No, back.
He's getting close.
Why are you telling me? This is, I'm gonna buy something.
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Silent Boy First Amendment. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on July 31st, 2021 in Los Angeles, California. Silent Boy was out cop watching when he came across two Los Angeles police officers sitting in their patrol car. After engaging the officers, both of them jumped out of the vehicle and the mayhem ensued. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Here, you want to take it or you want to take it?
I wanna take it.
Okay.
You're the supervisor? You're the supervisor? What are you? No, what position? So you're just a regular rookie, officer too? Don't follow each guy's steps. They're gonna lead you in the wrong way. Seriously, for a simple camera. Could tell this guy's a tyrant too. He bullies people in the street. All of these people. I'm the one who should be scared of you. You have a gun right there. What's your name and badge number? You work for me. What's your name and badge number?
Don't step to my car, okay?
I'm gonna step close, okay?
Hey, back up.
Give me your name and badge number, okay? Give me your name and badge number, idiot.
Hey, back up.
What's wrong? No, back.
He's getting close.
Why are you telling me? This is, I'm gonna buy something. Don't scare me. You don't scare me. You don't know who you're messing with, okay?
Provoking us for
I'm a provoking freedom of speech, okay?
Don't get close to these people.
Get out.
I just don't want you stepping up to my car.
You work for me, dude. You don't scare me, dude, okay?
I don't want
You work for me, but okay?
That's it.
You work for me. You don't intimidate me, dude, okay?
That's it. That's all we do.
You don't intimidate me, dude, okay?
Neither do you.
Neither are you.
They're used to killing
You're a
people.
tyrant. That's why. That's why you get out of like a thug, huh?
Do you know me though?
You get out of like a thug, huh, dude? You get out like a thug, huh?
Do you know me?
You use your uniform for your
Do you know
feelings,
me or
huh?
no? Do you know me? You don't know me. It's all good. You don't know me.
Then give me your business card. I'm gonna make a report against you.
What'd I do?
You were trying to arrest me for something? Okay? You work for me. What's your name? Abraham, you work for me.
Oh, really? Okay, cool. Good to know.
It's all right.
You're thugs. Why are you running out of the car like you're gonna arrest me or something?
Because you stepped to us.
I could do that.
I don't know
Okay.
who you are. I don't know what your intentions are. And you're stepping to
I'm
me. I
more
don't know
scared
who you
of
are.
you. You have guns.
You have guns. What the hell you're talking
I don't know
about?
what you have though. You're stepping to me all aggressive with me. I don't know what you have in your pockets. I haven't
Reporting
searched
is
you.
aggressive.
So? It
No,
doesn't
the
matter,
way you stepped to
idiot?
me.
Reporting
Come
is
on,
aggressive.
come on, come on. Come on, the way you step to us, come on.
So? I could do that. You work for me, dude.
Yeah, you don't step to me like that.
Okay.
But I don't know what you have. I don't know what you have. Okay?
You're just,
No,
dude,
can
you're
record
scared
all
of
you
a
want,
camera,
it's cool.
dude?
Oh, I'm not scared of the camera. The camera's on
Trust
too.
me, I deal with the police every day, dude.
That's good. That's hopefully you don't.
You don't know who you
have
mess with right now.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, I'm fine. But he started stepping in my car and stuff.
Yeah, he just stepped up all aggressive.
Okay,
trying to
now
get
you know
out
what
close,
I'm
and we
talking
just got
about.
out. I was like, don't step in my car.
Calling all this backup. This is all the taxpayer way. I need your business card. That's what I need.
Okay, you'll get it right now. I'll get it
Right here.
now, too.
Oh, this is all you need for.
Some people may be turned off by Silent Boy's style of auditing, but with that said, I would like to say that there are many different styles of auditing going on across this country on a daily basis. Silent Boy is 100% within his rights to audit the way he likes to. He is very in your face when he audits, but as long as he isn't committing a crime, in my opinion, I think he just needs to continue to do what he does. It's all about education when it comes to the police and civilians alike. Let me know, YouTube, down in the comments below. What do you think about Silent Boy First Amendment's auditing style?
Fucking camera. That's why LAPD gets a bad name. All the time I go out and film you.
What did I do though? I didn't do anything.
You're acting like a thug, dude. You did all this.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you have in your pockets.
So?
I don't know if you have a gun. I don't know if you have a knife.
You have all
don't know what you
guns.
guys have.
And what is it talking about?
You kill people. I'm more scared of you guys have guns.
At least she's acting professional. Not like you.
Information down here.
You're used to bullying people, huh, on the streets? Trust me, karma gets you back while you're doing live. Trust me on this one.
Okay, sounds good. If you want to step over here, I'll write you.
I'm gonna step here, okay?
Yeah.
I'm not stepping nowhere.
Yeah, that's fine. Here.
And it's legal to carry a taser, moron, if you know that. Don't be stupid, idiot.
Okay, that's fine.
It's legal in California, I know the
You know,
laws.
some people are modifying tasers to carry bullets too, right?
Okay.
Do you know that?
You're not the only one who
Just
carry
inform me,
arms,
that's all.
dude. I could carry arms too, okay?
Okay. You
You're
can
not
carry
the
a
only
taser,
one.
And if you have a CCW,
Okay.
you're legal right to carry.
Yeah, that's why I say the legal way.
Okay.
You're ready to kill people, huh? That's what you're all good for.
You don't even have to have a brain to get this kind of job.
You don't even need a high school. You're so dumb. That's simple. Dude, come on, for a camera? When you have a gun in your holster? You're scared of a camera? Aren't you a grown man already, dude? And this Karen over here. You're a disgrace to your department. You're a disgrace, dude. I could call you anything I want. It's freedom of speech. This is America.
Here, you want to take it or you want to take it?
I want to take it.
Take it, okay.
You're the supervisor? Can I? You're the supervisor? What are you? No, what position? So you're just a regular rookie, officer too? Don't follow a guy's steps. They're gonna lead you in the wrong way. Seriously, for a simple camera.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Silent Boy First Amendment's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.